Okay, Black, you're gonna die. And that sucks. But maybe Cyan's right. Maybe this isn't the end. Maybe I could be reincarnated as a dwarf star, or a pile of dirt, or a noodle, or... Oh, screw it. I'm about to be nothing. God, it sucks to be an atheist sometimes. Let's do this already!
Is it Sheila?